Who's gonna give me the hole? Someone's gotta give me the hole. Ladies and gents, good morning. Good, beautiful Tuesday morning to you all. Live from Brooklyn, New York. This happens to be November numero uno. The very first one. Very first one. I don't understand why all this is happening, but we're just gonna pretend like it's not our problem. Good Lord, good sweet bananas. All right, so the worst start possible to our little journey, because you know how much I hate traffic. For somebody who hates traffic, I sure live in a place that has a lot of it, and it's a bit of a wet one. You know what I mean? A bit of a wet one, but it's warm. It's like 60 some degrees. Literally 60 some degrees. I wonder how soon they're gonna take apart this building here. Look at it. Oh, new one popping up over there. That's one thing I love about the city. I love the new architecture. I love all the new stuff. I love these little birds here playing their little bird games. I love that Benz over there. Look at that thing. That's a dope little baby SUV. Yeah. No, I love my little morning rides. These little rides I get to take to go to work. It's not so bad. And today I get to do well, I'm not gonna go that far. I'm not gonna say the things I get to do at work today I love, but I certainly don't mind. I certainly don't mind. Don't particularly love this weather. If I was home, I'd love this weather, but right now, out on the bike, it's not the most ideal weather for riding. It was kind of like greasy and wet, moist, of all sorts. What are you guys doing? Oh, was there a truck fight? It's a truck fight. I pull up in front of this truck. Look, there's plenty of room. Nobody's even upset. Nobody even got a time to get upset. You know what I mean? Everybody's happy. Everything's going to work out. What do we got here? Green light? Yes, baby. Folks are bumping, humping, beeping, tweaking. I respect all of it, and none of it at the same time. Let's see what we got on the BQE. If there's anything worth loving. Oh, you fucking cunt. Look at this fucking guy. What the fuck kind of move was that? Jerk off dick. Let me take a look at this guy. Fucking idiot. Ooh. Are you telling me this bike doesn't have pep in its step? This bike is the definition of pep. Oh man, it's nice. Nice to get up for a second. My phone is bugging out right now. It's giving me all sorts of reminders because it's 9 a.m. right now. And it's like, bro, You should be thinking about 7 different things, not about Brappy the Brappies. That I don't love. Unless they're fun reminders. But right now I'm more or less in control. Alright, let's split a touch. But what I don't like is how the reminder is actually stuck on my screen. Like, why? I get it. There is a fucking... I have like 7 to-dos items, but you don't need to, weird, there's like a car that's on the shoulder back there. I'm splitting. Not gonna give me room, are you? Yeah, it's telling me to go locally because he knew the highway was gonna be thick. But it ain't so bad. So yeah, today I found out that this rapper named Takeoff got shot, killed during a dice game, a friendly dice game. What the fuck is going on? Why do folks have so many guns on them if you're in a friendly dice game? Why would somebody ever have a gun? Because one of their phone, it was like a stray bullet by one of their own, I think. Well, their own entourage. What am I talking about? This is too depressing. Let's get back to things I love instead of things that are sad. Ooh, big truck. Small truck. Trucks and trucks and trucks. And then we got a police van. Maybe? No. Don't think it's quite a police van, but it's a van nonetheless. So I recorded some 360 videos. I'm curious to know you guys' reaction to them. I thought they turned out pretty fun. Obviously I need to perfect it a little more. Ooh, that person is on the shoulder. I just don't do the shoulder because that's where you get all the glass, all the nails, all the garbage. And you're just like, at least right now, I'm a douchebag with a little bit of skill. On the shoulder, you're just a straight douchebag, no skill. Weird weather. Feels like it's about to pour. And I guess it just might. It's alright. I'll wait. Ooh, should have went there. That's the move. Alright. Time to start thinking. Going to the right. The exit is indeed coming up. Funny how used to this splitting I am. Like literally I do this every single time I go to the office. Like without fail I have to split here. The roads are just not adequate for this amount of cars. Every single time I have to split. Every single time. Alright, let's go to the right. Let's go to the right. Who's gonna give me the hole? Someone's got to give me the hole. These folks are not presenting any holes. Oh, this truck kind of presents a hole. Yeah, we're gonna go this way. There we go. A hole presented itself and we took the hole. That's the name of this vlog, taking the hole. Here we are, chilling, just cruising behind this little Uber. I don't even know her. No, Uber. I hardly know her. Look, Rossi. You see my thigh, my knee sticking out? No, I'm doing the air brake, you know, tucking it in. Rossi taught me. The reason I ride the way I ride is because Rossi taught me. MotoGP's rubbed off on me. Ah, you fucking banana. You're too close to the bush. You're fucking too close to the bush, my boy. Get off the bush. Ah, there we go. Anybody to the right? No. Gorgeous maneuvering with some gravel and some wetness. Not the best, but that's what we got. I don't know what's going on here, but we'll pull up to the front. New Jersey's like there we go. I'm going slow. No? Ain't I? I think so. Come on. Super slow. As slow as it can go. Look at me. Definition of chillness. Your boy mad chill. Your boy is mad chill right now. And your boy is me. Jeez Louise, why is everybody honking? It's like a honking party over there. And I'm happy with this little, oh fuck. Yo, I guarantee you somebody was taking a turn when they did that. Oh, that's a gorgeous Benz. Ouch, ouch, fuck. Somebody was taking a turn. That's why you don't park on the corner. Motorcycle or bike, you just don't park on the corner like that. Some big truck ripped off that bumper on that Benz. Fuck. Anyway, I don't remember what I was talking about. Probably something super exciting. But yeah, my quad lock thing, the smart charger, because now it only turns on when it's time to charge. When the bike is running, like even when I turn the bike on, it doesn't turn on. But when I start riding it and the voltage pops up, that's when the magic starts to happen. That Ravel is parked on a corner because it's a piece of shit and people don't care. Let's see. Got your parking spots here? Not really, not particularly, not quite yet. Ooh, I mean, I could park next to this guy, I guess, but not the best. That's a beautiful Benz to be parked on a corner, but it's far from the corner. It's okay. Why can't I park right here? I can. I will. Yo. Ooh. I'm like right in a hole. Oh, there's like a hole back there, which I don't particularly like. All right, we're good. We are good. Look at this hole. Sweet baby Jesus. Why is that hole so big? See, this vlog is all about holes. What does it take in the hole? And that's the biggest hole I've seen. Yeah. All right. Anyway, kids, it's always a pleasure to, chat it up with you all. But it's time for me to get in the character. It's time for me to become a real boy. Bye now.